Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can use Apple Pay without needing a physical card at all. So let's get right into it. For that, open up your wallet application in a mobile device. And inside here, go ahead and tap on the plus icon. Now go ahead and simply press debit or credit card and then tap on continue. If you don't have your card right now, you can simply tap on enter card details manually and then fill in the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Your bank may ask to verify via text or app. So once your card is verified, you are ready to go. To pay in store, simply double click on the side button of your iPhone and authenticate with your Face ID or Touch ID. Then just tap your iPhone near the payment terminal. And just like that, you'll then be able to use Apple Pay in store without needing your physical card. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.